Sasabak na rin sa pagpa-podcast si Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano. At kabilang daw sa mga gusto niyang makausap ang kontrobersyal at kapwa Kristiyano na si Alvin Aragon. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
Unshaken na hinarap ni Gary Valenciano ang media para sa kanyang bagong proyekto. Yan ay ang kanyang upcoming podcast na Unshaken. At kahit hindi gaanong makalakad dahil sa kanyang cellulitis, game pa rin nakipagtsikahan sa atin ang nag-iisang Mr. Pure Energy.
Maybe I still have to do some tests, but I'm here, and I'm happy that I am.
Pang-international ang podcast lalo't iHeartRadio at Mammoth Media lang naman ang kanyang partner producers. Balak din daw nila i-release ang podcast globally.
He's an icon in the Philippines, and who better to start with than an icon? So, still incredibly important in this community, and we hope to take him to help him build an audience that's even larger in the rest of the world.
Ang mga guest, lahat may istorya ng grit and grace, gaya na Coco Martin, Lumpia Queen Abby Marquez, Martin Rivera, Michael V at marami pang iba. Pero eto nga, isa raw sa mga gustong makausap ni Gary V ang kapwa Christian na binabash online na si Alvin Aragon.
He was once a Christian who was honeymooning with the Lord when I first came to know him. And I was like that. Oh, if you do, you're going to go to hell. What? No, yeah, but it's written in the Word of God. This is what's going to happen to you. But it took me time to learn that the truth, even if it hurts, you don't have to make it hurt more.
Ayaw niya raw husgahan si Alvin, pero gusto raw maintindihan ni Gary V kung ano ang pinaggagalingan ng mga kontrobersyal na pahayag ni Alvin. Kabilang na dyan ang mga sinabi niya tungkol sa sex bomb.
Maybe someday, if we do talk, I'd like to find out. Dude, what's going on?
Abangan ang podcaster era ni Mr. Pure Energy this April. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Nikki de Guzman po. Para sa mga impormasyong dapat ninyong malaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.